Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your Princess Cruises suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This incredible suite is the grand suite here on board. It's category S1 and it's the very top suite on the ship. You have an enormous amount of space, my perfect location. Now I'm going to take you through the space and review the amenities in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on hardtravel.com. We know we can help craft that cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now the Sapphire Princess is a medallion class ship, which means you're going to be able to have all of those upgrades. Your medallion will unlock your room for you, and of course throughout the ship it's going to communicate who you are and what you like with all the crew members. You can order room service and head back to the room. You can order items and have them delivered to wherever it is that you are on the ship, and do so many more things with the medallion. Now, being that this is a full suite, you're going to get early embarkation and disembarkation privileges throughout the cruise. Where there's shuttles, you'll get priority shuttles in and out of the towns. And then once you arrive on board, you'll have complimentary specialty restaurant for boarding day. And then throughout the cruise, you'll have priority reservations for everything throughout your entire cruise. You're going to have breakfast and sabatinis every day, a highly upgraded experience, and lunch and dinner in the Santa Fe restaurant in the reserve section. That means you always have a seat available, and they have an upgraded menu as well. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now we've started off here in the living room, and it's really, truly expansive. I love the beautiful painting on the wall. There's an enormous amount of storage as well. You've got a large sofa that can fold out if you have more than 2 guests staying in the suite. You've got storage on either side, and it kind of functions as a nightstand. You're going to have 2 comfy chairs and a coffee table. You've got a writing desk over here to the side, tons of storage underneath. You also have a US plug here and over on the other side as well. Now you have your large flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. A ton of storage underneath, a ton of storage up above as well. In here you're going to have shelves on either side. I also love that they have 2 US plugs as well. You've got a full wet bar over here, that complimentary setup that you'll get with staying in a full suite, mini fridge underneath, and then as we continue along, you'll see that you have a really beautiful marble foyer with a mosaic floor. It's got a large double door, and even when you approach outside, you're greeted knowing you're going into something special. Now you're also going to have an extra large full dining room table. Now one of those suite level amenities, you can have every single one of your meals right here in the suite if you'd like. You can also take advantage of it for maybe just a room service snack or getting friends together for game night. This is such a unique venue, and once again, beautiful painting on the wall and a little bit of storage underneath. Now as we head further into the suite, to the left-hand side, you're going to have the entrance to the bathroom. Now there's 2 entries. I just wanted to point out that this one you can head directly in to a small powder room and the toilet, but I like that if you have guests coming over, they can utilize that space without heading into your personal bathroom space. Now as we head into the master bedroom, I love that they have a door. Love that that gives that extra separation of space, and then when you step into the bedroom itself, it's absolutely massive. You'll see that you have your princess luxury bed here, upgraded linens, mattress, and pillows. Now the bed does separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. Either way, you've got tons of space underneath to tuck your large luggage away. Now you're going to have storage up above and down below on either side, and a large flat panel TV, so that's 2. I love the redundancy. Maybe somebody's taking a nap in here, you can watch TV in the living room and vice versa. You've got storage underneath and down below. You've got a vanity here to get ready, 2 US plugs along with a full magnifying mirror. I love that they've got a backlit one for you, and underneath a bit more storage as well. Now right around the corner in here you're going to have a large walk-in closet. It's absolutely massive, hanging storage all the way across, extra comfy princess bathrobes and slippers. You've got 2 golf umbrellas to use throughout your voyage, storage all the way along up top and down below for hanging. You have a full laptop size safe and drawers for storage as well. Now as we head into the bathroom, you're going to find it matches the rest of the suite. It's absolutely huge. So you've got an extra large 2-person jacuzzi soaking tub here, beautiful mosaics on the wall, and highly upgraded bath amenities. Directly across, you're going to find a large double vanity with a marble countertop. You've got storage behind the mirrors on either side. You have another magnifying mirror here to get ready, plug for a razor, and that upgraded suite amenity pack. There's more storage underneath the vanity as well, and I love that they have a step-in shower in addition to the jacuzzi tub. Now I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I don't fit in a lot of spaces. I fit just fine in here. You've got a true, what I call car wash style shower. It's really a Swiss shower experience with 3 shower heads, and then you've got shower heads all the way up and down, a seat where you can sit and soak, nook for those bath amenities, and 2 more nooks as well. Now as we step through here, you've got that door for privacy. You've got your water closet in here, another sink that you can use. You've got storage underneath as well, and then a powder room to the side. Now this really makes a big difference if you have somebody staying in the living room space or you have friends and family over. So now we're out on your private aft facing balcony. What I love about this is you've got side facing views on the far side there, and it goes all the way along the back here, and then it really opens up in a covered space. You've got a full dining room table here with 4 chairs, 2 extra comfy loungers with those extra pads. You've got a cocktail table in between, and you can see this is that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or even every single meal right here on your balcony. I absolutely love the views from the aft of the ship. It's my personal favorite spot on the ship. And you can imagine touring some of the scenic parts of the world where this ship visits. Maybe you're cruising through the Chilean fjords, the beautiful glaciers of Alaska, entering San Francisco Bay. Wherever it is, this is the perfect spot for me. Now, when you're ready to make this the perfect spot for you and make it your home away from home, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.